We know that every child is different and learns at a different pace and in different ways. In today's modern classroom, it is important for me as a teacher to understand those differences and help students learn in a way that best supports them. This process in the education field is known as differentiation. Differentiation is a student-centered approach that focuses on what is best for each child and how to support their individual learning needs. Research also suggests that when students are provided differentiated instruction, that they make more connections with their peers, feel valued as part of a group, and will be more successful in the classroom. Why should I, as your child's teacher, choose to differentiate? Again, every child is different and learns at a different pace. Each child has his or her own unique strengths and weaknesses. Differentiation allows for students to learn in multiple modalities to gain mastery of a concept. How does differentiation look in my classroom? In the classroom today, students are first given a pre-assessment on the upcoming standard that will be taught. Based on those results, I create flexible groups based on student readiness and learning styles. These groups allow students to work with others of similar strength. Then, during class time, these groups will work on specific skills targeted to their strengths and weaknesses. During this flexible group time, students may work on various tasks, such as creating anchor charts that help support their learning, using manipulatives to gain understanding, working in centers that target the specific skills they are learning, or working in a small group with a teacher for further understanding of enrichment. I also provide some independent learning time through the use of choice boards or menus. This allows me to see what students can produce independently. It also gives me a chance to work one-on-one with students. During this time, I can give individual feedback to a child regarding his or her level of understanding. All of the differentiation that I create in my classroom is based upon the state's Common Core standards. These standards drive the instruction for my classroom. They allow me to understand what needs to be mastered on the 4th grade level. I use the standard, sometimes referred to as the goal, to create units using a backwards design. I start with the end in mind. What do I want students to understand? And then I build a unit from there. I am able to daily scaffold my instruction based on student readiness and understanding. This ensures that your child is receiving a quality education that best meets his or her learning needs. In 4th grade, I feel that mastery of a standard is sometimes gained very quickly over a few days or weeks, and sometimes it takes much longer to gain mastery of a standard. Therefore, not every assignment given in class will receive a grade. Many activities that we perform in class are just building blocks towards the greater understanding. Students will, once ready, take a post-assessment on a specific standard. These assessments are streamlined and have been created to meet all levels of learners. I provide accommodations and various supports to students who may need them. Oftentimes, students are additionally asked to create some form of a product that shows their understanding of a skill. This product could be represented in various forms based on the child's learning style and preferences. However, everyone's product would be graded on the same rubric for fairness. The goal of these types of performance assessments is to show understanding of a skill. In my classroom, I want students to get the best quality education they can get. This, however, does not mean that every child will receive the same support from me. I hope that this video helps you understand that in today's modern classroom, it is not okay just to stand up and merely teach a skill to a group of students. Students need to be shown different ways to understand and learn. We are all different. We all learn differently, but we all can be successful.